Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be doing my Kate Spade collection and this is part 2. So if you want to see any of these newer pieces, then just keep on watching. For the pieces that I'm going to show you, I don't know the names off by heart, so I'll leave that somewhere on the screen. So this first bag, I got this on the holiday weekend for Labor Day and they were having 70% off at the outlet, which was awesome. So with this bag, I don't have anything like this. I love the color of it and it's a really nice design. So with the Kate Spade, it is in the metal and I do prefer it in the metal versus it just being printed on, and I like the detailing. And inside is a really nice design as well. It's striped and it has 3 pockets. So on this side is just a zipper pocket and then it has 2 open pockets, and this is very spacious as well. And for this bag, I got this for $70 after tax, which was a really great deal. And then this next piece is this purse, and with this bag, it's such a nice color. That's how it looks up close. And the first thing that I want to tell you is that it does not come with this tassel keychain. I just put that on there just to add a little bit something more to it because it did look a little bit plain. So that's how it looks without the tassel, and that's with the tassel. Let me know if you think it looks nice with that on there. And with this way that the Kate Spade is, it is like a stamp. I don't like how that looks preferred to how I just showed you, but since it did have the little, I don't know what to call it, like jewels on there, I found that it still looked pretty cute. And then inside looks like that, and this is a pretty spacious bag as well. It can hold a lot, and it has a pocket there and it has 2 pockets on the other side as well. But something that I did want to mention about this purse is that it is very structured. So I found that when you wear it on your shoulder, it doesn't lay as nicely as I would have wanted. Maybe if it was a thinner strap, or maybe if it was a little bit more on the softer side, then it would be a little bit more comfortable. But I did want to let you know that it is pretty structured, just in case you do get a purse in this style. And then next I want to show you this bracelet. It's such a cute design. This is my first rose gold bracelet and I just wanted to get it to match with my watch, and it has some sparkles there on the jewels. I'm not sure if it's gonna pick it up, but it's a really cute style. The next 2 pieces aren't mine. I picked them up for my mom because her anniversary and her birthday is coming up, but I just wanted to show it to you. So first is this bracelet, and it has a little bow and some gems inside there. And to open it up, you just do that on this side and just press down, and then you just close it just like that. And I think that this was $20 after the discount, which was a great price. And then lastly is this purse. I love the shade of this and the design. And with the Kate Spade, it is in the bar plate, and that's how that looks. And also does come with an adjustable strap, which is great. It is on the bigger size, so I'm just gonna get some holes punched inside there. And it's a very spacious bag. Looks like that inside. So it has a larger pocket, that's a zip pocket on that side, and then on the other side it has 2 open pockets, and it's just a really nice style. So that's it for my video. If you want any more information about anything that I showed today, just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.